Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You have your WES reference and ID ready. Begin by logging into your WES account and opening the correct evaluation. Next, scan each document at 300 dpi and save as PDF or JPEG. This ensures clarity and acceptance. Click Applications, select your evaluation, then choose Upload Documents and pick the document type matching WES requirements. Once done, confirm file names, match what WES expects, and proceed to the next step to attach files. Now you will upload and categorize each file precisely. Choose degree, transcript, or translation as instructed. Make sure each file is under the size limit and merge multi-page transcripts into a single PDF to preserve order. This reduces rejection risk. Fill metadata fields like issuing institution, document date, and indicate if an official signature is present. Once uploaded, hit Verify or Save Draft and review thumbnails to ensure pages are legible before moving to submission. Finish by previewing every uploaded document and checking page order and legibility. You want no blurry scans or swapped pages. When everything looks right, submit the application and note the confirmation number and take screenshots for your records. If WES rejects a file, the usual culprits are file type, size, or poor resolution. Rescan at 300 dpi, save as PDF, and reupload the corrected document. If problems persist, contact WES support with your reference number and screenshots.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.